Speed test between the OnePlus 9 Pro versus the OnePlus 8T. Now the OnePlus 9 Pro has the Snapdragon 888 with 12 gigs of RAM on Android 11 and its latest version of Oxygen OS. The OnePlus 8T from last year has the Snapdragon 865, also has 12 gigs of RAM, also on Android 11, and also on its latest version of Oxygen OS. So let's go ahead and turn on both phones at the same time here, see which one has the faster boot up, and let's go. OnePlus 9 Pro versus OnePlus 8T speed test. Which phone will have the faster boot up? Let's find out right now. What will happen? Let's see. Oh, so close. I think that was actually the 8T, a little bit faster. Oh, I don't know, man. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. And we are in. All right, man, let's just get into it. I'm gonna swipe over to this page. These are the apps I'm gonna be using for this speed test. I'm gonna go ahead and do this on both phones. Whoops. Do this on the OnePlus 9 Pro. No recent items on both phones. All apps, the caches, the browsers, everything has been cleared out. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Whoa, very close. You guys are the judges. Messages app. And again, very close. The camera. I'm gonna go ahead and lift up both phones, see which one has the faster launch of the camera. Very close, but I think that was definitely the 9. Let's go ahead and fire up the clock on both phones. Very close, practically a tie. Let that run in the background. Calculator. Again, very close. You guys are the judges. Play Store. Basically a draw. Let me know if you see any differences. We'll go ahead and leave it on that page. Amazon shopping. And again, very close. Let's see, click on this. What is this, some cat food? I'm gonna click on this. Leave it there. eBay. Very close again. Don't really see a massive difference between either phone. Even on this page, very similar performance really. Leave it there. Super Mario Run. Let's get into some games. Both are loading right now. And, ooh, a little bit faster on the OnePlus 8T. Interesting. Tap to begin. And again, faster on the 8T. All right. OnePlus 8T not going anywhere. Let's see, Temple Run 2. Let's see, we have loading on both phones. Oh, a little bit faster on the 9 Pro. We'll let this run and confirm that. See if I'm right or I might be wrong. A little bit faster on the OnePlus 9 Pro. Tap to play. We'll let that run. So the 9 Pro with the comeback. Let's check this one out. Loading on both phones. Let's see. Ooh, very close, but I think that was the 9 Pro by a split second. Go ahead and leave that in the background and launch this one. Let's see. Ooh, super fast on the 9 Pro. Will the 8T catch it? Nope. We'll give the victory on the OnePlus 9 on this. And then we do have this one. Let's see. Ooh, Elite Tuners? I think the 9 Pro is ahead. But we'll let this run. And we'll give the win to the OnePlus 9 Pro on this. This one. Let's see. Ooh. Okay. Oh. Extracting files on both. Let's see which one does it faster. And the OnePlus 9 Pro, tiny bit ahead. But as you can see, not really that big of a difference. Very similar performance. Really? And of course, we do have the PUBG. PUBG Corporation. Okay, what will happen right here? I think, okay, heard noise from the 9 Pro first. Okay, a little bit faster on the OnePlus 9 Pro. And what is this on the 8? some different stuff. All right, so you can take this with a grain of salt. Different things here on the right, but you get the general idea. Both phones are still very fast, especially the Snapdragon 865. Still no slouch in 2021. Twitter was identical. I think 9 Pro was faster a little bit. This one, 9 Pro, a little bit faster. Again, not that big of a difference, as you can see. And finally, we do have the Chrome here. Let's do a test on, let's see, what phone is rumored right now? What about Note 21? Let's do a random search, kind of see what's going on with this. Are they gonna release the Note 21 Ultra this year? Or is Samsung gonna just skip the phone? We'll go to news. And then, let's see, what is this? What am I gonna click on? Let's click on this one. Here we go, 9 Pro versus S21 Ultra. We'll scroll through this. Very smooth performance on both phones. Both phones do have a fast display, so that's nice. So let's see, why don't we look at that scrolling, wow. Super fast, super smooth. Why don't we check out the, let's see, desktop site, see what happens. All right, we'll do some pinch to zoom here. Buttery smooth here on the 8 and on the 9 Pro. Not sure what that was, some glitch, but the pinch to zoom is also very nice. We'll do both at the same time. Yeah, very enjoyable to use with the fast display on both phones. All right, so let's go ahead and check out the RAM management on both phones. Everything in the background, as you can see, both phones have the same 12 gigs of RAM. And on Oxygen OS, I like the row of icons here on the bottom. You can switch icons that way, or switch apps that way. Love that added feature. Anyway, we'll go through these apps again. And we'll have a look. Any lags, any stutters, we'll document that right now. And just see what happens. Okay, that's good to go. Is this one good to go? Both are reconnecting. So that's nice. And then let's see, this one. You can continue the game, whoops. You can continue the game on both phones. So no reload yet. Angry Birds good to go. And then Subway Surf. Ready to resume. No issues yet. Ooh, that hurt. That sounded painful. And then this one, you can continue, as you can see. Very nice. Super Mario Run. No reload yet. This one is good to go. Amazon, same place. Play Store, same place. Super fast. This one's good to go. Clock is still running in the background. And then the camera, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up both phones again so you can see a little bit better. Draw. Messages. Identical. And finally, the phone app. Boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Are you on Team OnePlus, rocking the brand new OnePlus 9 Pro? Let me know in the comments below if you want me to do a camera comparison, or are you sticking with the older OnePlus 8T or the 8 from last year? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.